Hello, let me show you how to turn off autocorrection in Samsung Galaxy S20. So for example, when we go to the messages and we are trying to type something like, hey, what is going on? As you can see, the autocorrection function is turned on. But if you want to turn it off, first you have to go to the settings and now scroll down. Click on the general management, enter language and input, choose on-screen keyboard, and now you have to go with your currently used keyboard. In my case, this is Samsung keyboard. Click on the smart typing and use this marker to turn off predictive text. Okay, and right now when we are trying to type the same messages, hey, what is going, as you can see, now it works perfectly. It doesn't correct our text. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.